In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto with N26. So the first thing you want to do is open your N26 app and then log in. And then what you want to do is down at the bottom, you want to click Finances, which is the second tab from the left. Now, once you click this, you will have to go inside your crypto. So you can go inside your crypto portfolio and then click buy, okay? Now, once you do this, you'll be able to see a bunch of different cryptocurrencies. So you'll have from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, etc. You have to pick one that you would like to buy. And then once you click on it, you'll see this message over here, which will essentially say that you have to state how much you would like to buy. So for example, as over here, you want to buy, let's say 100 euros of Avalanche, and then you want to click preview order. And after that, you will see your preview, you will see all the fees and the exchange rates, and after this, you can simply press buy now, and then once you click buy now, you have successfully bought crypto on your N26 account. Now, the exact same way you bought it earlier, when you clicked on your crypto portfolio over here, you can then, instead of buy, press sell, and then you can start selling your crypto the exact same way by previewing orders, entering in the amounts, and then pressing sell now. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.